Question number 6. Download and create two roles with slash home student ansible roles requirements.yml file. So he wants we us to extract a role which has been shared from one of the website. He wants you to download it through or by using of this file requirements.yml and untar it. Okay, Martin, in and Surya, we have already prepared our lab environment with all the files required for these questions called baston.lab.example.com. I'm using the same, what do you call role for both to just to create the analogy of the exam. You'll have different names here. You'll have one with, say, for example, for load balancer, another will be PHP. So one role will be for developing a load balancer. Another will be for a PHP server. Those will be two different roles. So to emulate that, I'm using the same role, but in exam you'll have two different names with different roles. So here you're going to create a file under roles folder. Requirement. What is the spelling out there? Requirement
We are
dot
recording
by.
this.
Yeah, I'm recording it. I'm recording it. Everything will be recorded. Now in this, he wants you to declare, okay, here hyphen src source, and he wants you to mention this path there. He will not ask. He'll these steps will be missing. On the location will be mentioned, and the name of the given role which he wants you to create. One will be called as balancer, and another will be called as here hyphen src, and he'll give a different location in the exam, in the sense different role name. You'll paste it here, and the name will be php info. So that's all for this question. And then before we fire it, let me show you what exactly roles we have here. Role list. We have actually none. This is we have nothing in those folder, existing folder. You see tree roles. We don't have anything as such. We have only one file called requirements. The moment I execute this particular YAML file to point, which is pointing to the roles in the repository, and then you'll see this output will have two roles created. Okay, and here Ansible Galaxy init, sorry, install hyphen role install hyphen r roles, then requirements.yml. Because I have already mentioned the CFG file, look at this. Already the path has been mentioned where exactly the roles should be extracted. So that's the reason I have not used hyphen P here. P stands for
Okay.
path and the roles for. I didn't mention that. So if you look into your PDF, which you might be going through it, and the videos that you have, they must be mentioning this hyphen P also. Now let us list the roles. Now you could see the two roles has been created here, right? And if you see the folder ls-l roles, now you'll find two folders got created. Now this is what he wants you to do for this question.